This is the Guidesman Reptile and I guess X tool. I don't use the tools. I got this for $6.99 at Menards on clearance, I believe, and there's actually two versions of this. The first one is just a little bit longer and a little bit slimmer blade, a little bit longer overall. This one, and it has a lot more holes in the handle. I'm not really a fan of skeletonized handles, but this one is pretty good. It looks like Metapod, but this is really ugly up here. But other than that, I mean, the holes aren't too bad in the handle here. But it has Teflon washers, and it came. I've been flicking this open. It was a little more centered, but it's loosened up. I probably need to tighten the pivot because I noticed the blade plays just a little bit more. But yeah, it flicks open really good. It flicked okay when I first was trying to flip it, but it loosened up. So I like that jimping there on the blade. And horrible clip, just because of the design, in my opinion. Come on, it is right in the middle on the lockup for the liner. But yeah, it's actually got a really good detent. You hear that? And that's probably what makes it so flicky. So I like this. I like the blade shape. A little bigger than the other version of this. A little wider and shorter. If you look at just the blade shape of the whole knife, as a whole, it looks great. I will probably end up painting the handle on this with matte black, but otherwise, $6.99, and it cuts really well too. I've been using it for cardboard today, so that is the Guidesman Reptile, and that is a Menards brand exclusive.